Okay, so first things first, you want to prepare whatever area that you're going to be decluttering to protect whatever couches or bedding or whatever you have. So like I put a white sheet here on the couch so I can put my stuff on there because what the idea is that you're going to be taking stuff out of a space, putting it somewhere to group together. Obviously, I've got a lot of candles here. I've got a lot of decorations. I have books, all these kind of things that I'm going to group together. And then I'm hopefully going to be able to purge and do a little bit of getting rid of and culling down so that it doesn't look like this. We are in the OFAB Oasis, and since I'm QuaranQueen, I'm going to need to have my queen space absolutely perfect. So anyway, here we go. Let's get this done. Okay, first pile down. We've got all the candles, a little bit of the decor, more decor. These are things I think I'm getting rid of here, and I'm starting the book pile. So, it's much later now. I've had a little attitude adjustment, and I'm ready to purge the candles. Just hold on. This is why I'm so like my clients. I don't want to get rid of any of these, and I'm keeping this one. So that's the first thing. These are like decor pieces. These are gonna stay too. Pretty sure. Tatanka, gonna stay. This wood bowls, I'm gonna do something with those. I'm not getting, look at, okay, maybe I should get rid of these. They're grody, but I can sand them, but no one's getting rid of that. I love this, but it's dead. So just, okay. This Los Angeles candle, it's so cute. It smells bad. Don't like it. Chestnut and clove. Oh, Jesus, that's good. I'm keeping that one. This one is boring, but oh, it smells good, but also dead. Gotta go. Mom gave me this. This is my mom's fault. Mom does this. She gives me a lot of candles. I love you, Mom. We're gonna do a whole special on just because your mom gave it to you doesn't mean you have to keep it. Unless it smells like this, and then you keep it. So I'm gonna keep that one. Let's see. These are kind of Christmassy, so I should probably put this with my Christmas stuff, you think? Kind of a thing, you wanna like actually put the stuff with the stuff that it's supposed to go to. That's what makes this hard too. Now I'm gonna have to go to the garage, I gotta pull out the Christmas thing. Oy. But I'm gonna do it. This is so cute, it says Texas on it. It smells like butt, so sorry Texas. This is a keeper, come on, look at it. This is a candle for my best friend's wedding. It smells so good. I'm keeping it because he's probably gonna watch this. So, totally keeping that one. This is a cute thing that matches that thing. You know I'm gonna keep that. The candles are gone. And this looks like moonstone or something. I gotta go. I already know. I feel you. This I'm keeping. Let's see. Oh, I'm keeping this one. Queen of damn near everything. These two are Texas campfire candles that actually smell like a Texas campfire. I'm keeping it. Okay, so now that I've decided what I'm keeping, I've also decided these are gone, right? So I'm gonna put those in the donate.